You do not want anyone to simply add people into the WhatsApp group. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can only allow admins to add people into WhatsApp group. But before I show you how, if you are new to this channel, do subscribe to this channel so that you can get more WhatsApp tips like this. Without further ado, let's jump into my phone and let me show you how you can do it. Let's go. First of all, open up your WhatsApp app, click on the group that you want to change. So this is my testing group. Now click on the name of the group, click on that, and then scroll the way down. You should be able to see group permissions. Click on that, and then you can see this option, members can add other members. So when you turn it off, only admin can add different people, add people inside the WhatsApp group. If you turn it on, everyone else can add people into the WhatsApp group. You can see here, you can even invite via link or QR code and things like that. But I think I just want to turn it off. And with that, the members cannot simply add people into the WhatsApp group, and only the admin can add people in the WhatsApp group. If you like what I share, do give me a like and subscribe to this channel so that you get more WhatsApp tips like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.